So hello guys, Sky here. I hope you are healthy and doing well in such a difficult times. However, we have prepared another interesting project to entertain and educate you a little bit more about the future of blockchain technology. Today I am going to talk about Relictum Pro. Relictum Pro is solving such a massive problem in whole industry as scaling and low productivity. Furthermore, if you are tired of typical 7 transactions per second with Bitcoin, Relictum Pro can perform 100,000 of transactions per second. So we will get into it in detail a little bit later. So let's get into the action and see what Relictum project is. So Blockchain 5.0 Relictum Pro was created back in 2019 and it was all began with an idea to improve blockchain technology. But what does 5.0 means actually? As a normal user it is pretty hard to get it, but we will explain you everything, so no worries. Blockchain 1.0 is where everything started. So obviously Bitcoin. The next giant that improved blockchain was Ethereum. It made it faster, scalable and cheaper. It was Blockchain 2.0. Remember the hype around EOS? That was the next step toward improvement. It was Blockchain 3.0. Shortly after EOS, Cele came into the action and made it blockchain even more attractive. So they have increased transaction speed and reduced the block size. Finally, we are coming to the latest blockchain generation, which is represented by Relictum Pro. What is the difference? Small blockchain size, large amount of transaction speed, node is filled with 0.5 to 1 second. Furthermore, with Relictum, we will finally achieve full decentralization of blockchain. As we already mentioned, Relictum Pro was created back in 2019 and the main characters that played a big role in this project creation are Alexander Sirigin and Frankis Fiore. So let us go through the roadmap and look what is already achieved and what are the future plans. So third and fourth quarter was pretty busy as the team has developed an alpha version of a product and managed to do their first sales round. 2020 has started very difficult for the whole world, but despite the fact Relictum Pro has managed to continue their sales round, and the last one is still live and will continue till 31st of May. So we will show you the whole details a little bit later, but Relictum Pro team wants to continue development roadmap and plans to create a lot of smart contracts for different industries like medicine and logistics. So in Q4, network development would have the highest priority, and in 2021 marketing will more and more important to gain the new audience. So let's talk about the products. Relictum Pro is going to offer a lot of different products that would be helpful to improve the level of decentralization and safety in today's world. So we will look at all the three products that Relictum Pro has developed. The first one is distributed storage. We all knew the problem of copyright or copywriting. Nowadays it is almost impossible to restrict the usage of original file, and it is getting harder and harder because pirated copies are getting more and more difficult to track. Furthermore, have you experienced the problem of data leaks in the cloud, or at least heard of that user data of some big companies has hacked and millions of clients data were stolen? I am sure you have, and with distributed storage provided by Relictum Pro, you can forget about those issues. Users would have an instant access to their storage from anywhere in the world and would have an outstanding speed access. Secondly, decentralized storage would not be restricted by time. Users would have lifelong access. Thirdly, copyright smart contracts would allow you to secure your original files and forget about hunting pirated copies. The last but not least, it is the safety of your data. Relictum Pro is a blockchain based project which would ensure the cybersecurity of your precious files. The second product is decentralized exchange. At the moment, there is an overwhelming amount of cryptocurrency exchanges. Every day, a lot of projects are willing to collect a lot of funds for another exchange. The only problem is that all of those are centralized. All the funds are stored by an exchange and you do not have access to your funds until you withdraw them. To perform good volume and get big amount of crypto, you will need to verify your identity and pass the KYC verification. Furthermore, all the exchanges are charging huge fees for trading and withdrawing. Relictum Pro is creating a decentralized exchange where you would not need to bother about all those issues. Users will have the full control on their funds. We will have an opportunity to trade over 500 cryptocurrencies pairs and will not charge unbelievable fees. Relictum Pro main exchange will be a user friendly, easy to use, and most importantly will have high security level for protection against hacker or DDoS issues. So the third product is Secret Chat. Have you ever wondered about chatting with someone privately without anybody possible reading your chat with you? The problem is solved by Secret Chat by Relictum Pro. Every chat would have a secret private key. So the only two persons in that dialogue would have access to this information. Moreover, with Secret Chat, it would be possible to send cryptocurrencies to anyone from anywhere from the in the world at the moment of time. As we all know, Telegram project got suspended few days ago, and it would be a nice opportunity to jump in and join the Secret Chat by Relictum Pro. Let's talk about GNT and RLC. As we have already mentioned, Relictum Pro is not another blockchain. It is an ecosystem with a lot of products and opportunities for their users. So, and as every ecosystem, Relictum Pro needs a native token with that serves a basement for transaction. The token is called Genesis token or GNT. The total supply of GNT token is going to be 10 billion token and the price is 0.0045 USD. Furthermore, Relictum Pro is going to create a stable coin called RLC, which is going to be based on mathematical algorithms to protect the coin from inflation. For those who are interested in more detailed description to tokenism, we will leave the white paper in the description down below. Now we can talk about the token sale and how you can contribute to Relictum Pro and get some of their tokens. First of all, you need to go to the main page and click on started in the top right corner of the page. You will need to fill your username, email, password and choose your country and click sign up. So once you have done those steps, you will get an email with a registered link. So click on it and you will be redirected to a personal page. So now you can see that the current token sale round is still live and will last until the 31st of May. So the current token price is 0.0045 USD and you can scroll down a little bit and you will see Relictum calculator to know how much tokens you can get. For example, if we want to buy 100 USD worth GNT tokens, so I will type here 100 USD. For 100 USD we will get around these, you can see on my screen, GNT tokens. So click on buy and you will see transaction details and will need to perform. So now we have reserved our 100 USD worth GNT token for 24 hours and will need to perform this transaction within this time to get our tokens. Furthermore, if you scroll down, you will see team status and your referral link. You can invite your friends to take part in Relictum Pro sales and get some good bonuses. So the conclusion is, all in all, Relictum Pro is going to launch another blockchain revolution which would improve transaction speed and prices, and most importantly will near the mass adoption of making blockchain more user friendly and accessible. Okay, so that was it for today guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave a like, rating and subscribe to our channel Blockchain Today. And if you have any additional questions about Relictum project, you can ask us in the comment section down below. We will answer all of them. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.